Good morning, dear students. Look here. Now we studied in the previous class that equal chords are equidistant from the center. Already we studied that. And a line segment. Look at here. A line segment to the center of a chord. From the center to the midpoint of a chord is perpendicular to the chord. That is, O is the center of the circle, OC, C is the midpoint of AB, that is AC equal to BC. Then OC perpendicular to AB. That already you proved that. You remember that? And look at the problems connected to that. Now in the figure, AB is a chord of length 24 centimeters. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle, AB is a chord of length 24 centimeter, and OC, already OC is perpendicular, OC is equal to 5 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle, that's our question. Find the radius of the circle. Now AB equal to 24. OC, given that it is perpendicular. Perpendicular means AC equal to BC. So AC equal to BC equal to 24 divided by 2 equal to 12. So this is 12, this is also 12. And OC is given as 5. And this is the radius of the circle. Look at the triangle AOC. In triangle ACO, OA square, otherwise AO square is a hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, OA square equal to AC square plus OC square equal to 12 and 5. You see that? It is 144 plus 25 equal to 169. Therefore, OA square equal to 169. OA is root of 169 equal to 13 centimeter. You get an idea? So, the radius of circle equal to 13 centimeter. Okay. Now, in a circle of radius 25 centimeter, what is the length of chords? What is the length of chord 20 centimeter away from the center of circle? What is the length of chords from the of a chord 20 centimeter away from the center of circle? So this is given as 20 centimeter. You get the idea? Distance OC equal to 20, that's given. Distance OC equal to 20 is given. Radius equal to 25. That is the figure. Okay. Find the length of chord of a circle of radius 25 centimeter, which is 20 centimeter away from the center of the circle. You look at that. Now you studied that OC is already perpendicular to AB and AC equal to BC. That also you know that. In triangle AOC, it's a right triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, OA square equal to OC square plus AC square. We want to find the AC, isn't it? That is OA square minus OC square. That is 25 square minus 20 square. That is 625 minus, that is square of 25 is 625. Square of 20 is 400. If you subtract it, you get 625 minus 400 equal to 225. AC square is 225. AC equal to root of 225. That is 50. So your answer AC equal to 50. Look very carefully in the video. Is it clear? By Pythagoras theorem. So AC equal to 15. Our question is to find the length of chord. Length of chord AB. If AC 15, BC is also 15, you studied that. AB 15 into 2, that's equal to 30 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay. Another one. Find the distance from the center of a circle to find the distance from the center of a circle with radius 17 centimeter. 17 centimeter to a chord of length 30 centimeter. That is chord length equal to 30. You watch very carefully the video and look very carefully here. Find the distance from the center of a circle of radius 15 centimeter to a chord of length 30. That is, already distance means perpendicular distance. So AC equal to BC equal to 30 divided by 2 is 15 and 15. Is it clear? And we want to find OC. Once again, you look the question. Find the distance from the center of a circle with radius 17 centimeter to a chord of length 30. Chord is 30 means AC equal to BC equal to 30 by 2 equal to 15. So how can we find OC? It's a right triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, OA square equal to AC square plus OC square, and OC square is OA square minus AC square. That is 17 square minus 15 square. ഇതാണ് hypotenuse കേട്ടോ. ഇത് രണ്ടും sides. And it is 289 square of 17, 225 is square. If you subtract it, you get 64. OC square equal to 64, OC, that is the distance, equal to root 64 equal to 8 centimeter. So our answer is OC is equal to 8. That is the distance from the center to the chord equal to 8. Is it clear? Okay. I will give you home assignment of this later. Okay. And once again, you look at the page number. That is page number 177, theorem 10.6. That is, equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. You just read the question and by heart it. It's not necessary to complete it. Okay. The proof is not compulsory. And next theorem, that is in page number 178. Chords equidistant from the center of circle are equal in lengths. That is in 178. Chords equidistant from the center are equal in lengths. Is it over? Okay. That's also the proof is not compulsory. You just read that theorem. Okay. That's it. And the further exercises are 179. Exercise 10.5. I will give you later. Okay. For the best.